Hello, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel at first and share my videos. Thank you for looking to XRP. XRP, let's look together in which areas XRP could fall. Let's check first Bitcoin price. You can see the Bitcoin price has this structure. We have here the channel to the top side. Now we fall out of this channel and we are staying here. But this is a danger area because we only make a retest. If I zoom here, then you can recognize we make only a retest of this area here. This is our trend channel, yeah. And I think we will go to the downside. The reason is we are out of this triangle. If I zoom to this area, then you can see we are already break this to the downside. If you look here, this is our triangle, and we fall here out of this triangle. We break here this uh, resistance line, yeah, fall, first break, then this is the second break, and you can see we will fall to the downside. I think one possibility is that we could go again to these levels here, 37,000, to test this again, and then the big falling is come. So, and then you can see we will retest the area of 20,000. The price will fall. And if you say why we will go to 20,000, is the reason is we start our bull run here to the top side at levels of 20,000. Here, if you look here, the price is here normal move here in normal ways, and then the big pump is here happening here at this levels 18,000 levels. Yeah. So if the price of Bitcoin comes back to 18,000, what's happening with XRP? XRP has here a long-term negative channel to the downside, yeah. And the interesting thing here is at Bitcoin price we had a big fall at mid of April, and the second fall was mid of May. Yeah? This and this. And if you look here to Bitcoin to XRP, you can see the big fall was here at beginning of or mid of April. Yeah, we fall from $2 to $1 or 90 cent, and the second fall was here $1.62 60 cent. We fall here $1. And if you look here how much we fall, yeah, it's very important here. We fall very much to the downside, and this is too much, yeah. And if you imagine how far we have here from $1 to 20 cent, this is not so much, yeah. So let's look to the short-term channel. The short-term channel is in this area, and you know what now happening. You see we are out of this short-term channel, and the problem here is if you look here, that is our triangle, and we are out of this triangle. Yeah, that means highly risk for XRP to fall. We will go here to the top side. Everybody think, yeah, XRP will go to the top side, and then the big boy is coming and shave you, and the price is falling to the downside to 80 cent. Test this level, coming back to the top side here, and the next move is beginning to the downside here. Maybe test this level here. Let me check to level of 65 cent, and the big move to the top side begins to test this level here. Yeah, and then we will lose, and the big fall is beginning here to the downside. We have to look. I think we could fall to 21 cent. Let's check. check the base here. We have, let me check. So if I look to this here, this formation, then I would say, let me check. We're coming from 2014. Let me check. XRP has a really confused chart here. Let me check. So I think this is a good base. I would say this is a good base here. This is at 20 cent here. So we could fall to 21 cent. Yeah. First support is the price was here at this level. First support is this here. Is this not hold? Is that not hold? Yeah, at 64 cent. Then the next target is direction of 20 cent. Yeah, you can see we have also good support here. We're not yet falling here at this downtrend, and possible stay area is 63 cent. Yeah, but if I look to Bitcoin price, if this falls to 20,000, I don't think that this will hold. Yeah, I hope, but I would say not. If I look to this formation, if you zoom in, then you can recognize, pardon, then you can recognize that we have here the situation that we have here a good support, but this area is danger area. Yeah, I think we have here also a good support. I would say first target is 65 cent, second target is 37 cent, and the last, if we fail really big, then I would say 22 cent. Yeah, but it seems we will take this area. So what happens after that? Not frustrated about XRP. XRP will rise, but I think after that we will get something like that. The price will rise to $1, make these moves here, stay here at these levels, and then the price will explode. But here is to look. Here's to look what's happening with Bitcoin. Yeah, if Bitcoin make this move, what I make here, let's check here something like that. Then I would say that we will here rise to the top side, but we have to look here. We need time. So have a nice day. See you later.